Welcome back to our health channel. Today we're diving into the tiny but mighty flax seeds. These seeds have been valued for their health benefits for centuries. Let's explore their origins, nutritional value, health benefits, and how you can incorporate them into your daily diet. Flax seeds, also known as linseeds, have a long history dating back to ancient civilizations. They were first cultivated in the regions of the Middle East around 3000 BC. Ancient Egyptians used flax seeds not only for their nutritional value, but also for their linen production. The plant's scientific name, Linum usitatissimum, literally means the most useful, highlighting its importance. Flax seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. These seeds are also packed with lignans, which have antioxidant properties and can help reduce the risk of cancer. Additionally, flax seeds are a great source of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and helping to control blood sugar levels. Flax seeds are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. They contain vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, which is crucial for energy metabolism. They also provide a good amount of copper, manganese, and magnesium. These nutrients support various bodily functions, from maintaining healthy bones to producing energy. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet is easy and versatile. You can sprinkle ground flax seeds on your morning cereal or yogurt. They can be added to smoothies for an extra nutritional boost. Flax seeds can also be used in baking. Try adding them to bread, muffins, or pancakes. Remember, ground flax seeds are easier for your body to digest and absorb than whole seeds. So, whether you're looking to boost your heart health, improve digestion, or add more nutrients to your diet, flax seeds are an excellent choice. Start small, and soon you'll find yourself reaping the benefits of this ancient superfood. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and nutritional advice. Remember, good health is the greatest treasure one can possess.